Isabta na to unsa ang itinerary, unsaon kini pag-prepare, ug unsa ang mga importante buhaton nga kinahanglan buhaton before and after the tour.
Good day, everyone. Welcome to Albuquerque, Bohol. My name is Rosaline, and I will be your tour guide today. Our driver is Miss Rowena, who will ensure our safe and comfortable journey. Today, we will visit some of Albuquerque's famous attractions, church. Please stay seated as we begin our journey. I remind the guests to fasten the seatbelts, keep the vehicle clean, and ask questions anytime. So, we've arrived at Mangrove area, our third stop. Forest that protects the coastlines and serve as a habitat for fish and birds.
And the monument of our national hero. Like many towns in the Philippines, Albuquerque honors Rizal because of his writing of awakening Filipino nationalism and inspired a peaceful struggle from freedom during the Spanish colonial period. As we stand here, it also bears remembering that the Bohol played an important role in the Philippine history.
From the center of the government, we now proceed to the heart of the community, its church. For centuries, the church has been more than a place to worship. It served as a center of education, culture, celebration, community life during the Spanish era. Parish Church. Welcome to Santa Monica Parish Church. This church has its beginning as a visita, an extension parish in Baclayon. A chapel, convento were erected in 1842. The site was made a town in 1861, separate from Baclayon, and by 1869, the parish was formally inaugurated. It was under the care of Augustinian Recollects. Our third stop will be the Capero Beach Mangrove and Fisherman's Dock. Welcome to Capero Beach. I-try ko lagi. Church. From here to Capero Beach,
It's about 5 minutes.
It's about 5 minutes.
By van.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
From here to Capero Beach,
5 minutes.
it takes 5 minutes since it's far. Then we take a van. Very good.
Okay.
Capero Beach Mangroves and Fisherman's Dock. Welcome to Capero Beach. Capero Beach got its name from Capitan Pedro Barquez. In short, Ka means Capitan, Pero means Pedro. This coastline is part of Albuquerque's valuable coastal ecosystem. The mangrove forest before us served as the town's natural shield against storm surge, coastal erosion, and rising sea levels.
Older factories existed, local butters, handcrafted jars, cooking pots, water containers, flower pots, and the special clay vessels used in making a sitio. Using locally sourced clay, artisans carefully shaped its piece by hand before allowing it to dry and firing it in the traditional oven sa pagbahan. It's called pagbahan.
Yes.
Hi, welcome to Albuquerque. I am Heidi, your tour guide for today. Together with me is Miss Rosalie and Miss Agnes. And our driver is Kerwin. We will be, safeguarded. You can
you can buy our the Asinti Buo for the price of 800 pesos. So you can take pictures and during the processing. So hello,
Nakakapiro.
ay nasa paturi na.
Sa patiri.
Hello, since we are from Kapiro is very near to Pottery Maker, so let's have, it takes 5 minutes to walk going to the residence home so we get family because they have not yet the building of the Pottery Maker. Since we are now in the pottery area.
Wala ka na gamit o transition.
We'll now proceed.
Gikan ka sa papiro, di ba? Kadong ka patiri. Hatong mag-practice ta ba kay?
Kapiro Beach, we'll have to proceed in pottery making. Since the pottery making is near to Kapiro Beach, let's take by walking because it is a walking distance. It takes 5 minutes to walk.
About, butang ayaw yung specific, about approximately.
Approximately, I think 5 minutes to 10 minutes to walk.
Inabot na ka.
From local river beads. Local artisan demonstrates hand throwing molding and sun drying techniques for making this called lagaan. This lagaan is the Asintibog is still using this lagaan. We've forgotten to try our hand at this age-old craft. To wrap up our tours, let's enjoy the freshness taste